Welcome back, everyone. Today we're here to start our demolition project. As you can see, we have one very old dump truck and one even older bus, and we're going to take all the crap out. As you can see, when we purchased this bus, absolutely full of junk. And we need it all to come out before we can make it into a lovely abode. Not a lovely commode. Ew. Oh my gosh. So disgusting. Making progress. So gross. Gonna have to take that to the dump. So, I guess it was like a dude bro submarine. Gonna get rid of that toilet and the wash tub and this disgusting ass crap back here. Ugh. I don't even want to know what's in that fridge. Hi, honey.
Should we have a beer?
Let's have a beer.
Let's have a beer.
Welcome home. Yeah, so after filling out the dump truck with the nastiest pile of foam and mouse turds imaginable, I think we're going to take the rest of the day off. We didn't do too bad. The inside of the bus is looking a little bit cleaner, and until next time.